Hello guys, we are in Abagana. This is not the first time, this is not the second time. Let's talk that because of the man we are talking about, the High Chief, Sir Joseph Nwankwu, National Lord. ONWA Abagana. So we are talking about him. We are live and direct in his company, Olympic Drinks Company. If I remember, in short, I'm shouting. So let me just come to see. Look at here. You will see that there is a quota. You see. So he tied here all the way to the main road. Even from there, I can't even count. The place is too much, and this man is too much. So we come here to have a tour. People have a demanding. Go to Joseph one company. Is still existing. It's still working. Quite all right. It's still working, but it's just a tip of it. But this man is too much. I swear to God. Look at it. You see, if you think you have money in Igbo land, see, don't make noise. Some people get it times 2 billion, but they don't make noise. This is just a part of the company. Here is where they produce minerals, mineral drinks, only mineral drinks. I'm telling you. So the other, when you look at the other side, we went there. This is where he produced stuff. So after that, you get where he produced beer. After that place, you have where he produced PVC pipes, everything. In short, as of then, he produced everything. Only human being that he cannot produce. That's why he's the only person who is outside national law in People's Club. Nobody, even till today, people have not given anybody national law. Make way. If I may cook if I then the company is more than a village. They can't count the acres. Come and see. So Dr. Alex, if I took Ekweme, you know, the other side, the only the commission was Babangida, 1990, to the head of state, present. See, now, look, how many of us, if a governor come and open our small company, we are there, yeah. By then, the president will flow into here. And other, or company. Now, all the too much, my brothers. If I remember, this is why he's a patron, national lord, and under Abagana man on there. Only I need the door, Abagana, need the door. Under Abagana, like, oh, I was Hey, let's go in here. Oh, Jesus. You see? Look at how massive. Everywhere here belongs to him. And Chineke. Hey! ONWA Abagana is too much. My brother, ONWA Abagana, my head is bursting. You see, you can walk more than 3 hours before the streets of this company. You walk, like if you are using, like, you walk more than 3 hours, and all his company in his village. But you see, the way I love people there, like that is that time they don't choose everywhere. They will do the company in their village, create job for their village people, and make people to work for them, and they will pay them handsomely, happily. I wasn't now.
Yeah, about just under leaf, I can't remember.
Yeah, that's the thing. I don't quarter.
Even the foundation of this one led by group that presents the network.
Everything is abandoned.
Did they rebuild this one?
Yes, this one was just built as when the factory started. It wasn't part of the old building.
Yeah. Hey, this is one with ONWA.
This guy went to